Welcome to March Madness Minute number 20. Today Ashley is going to share how to embed a Google Calendar into a website, and it's a really great feature so that you can make your Google Classroom calendar public for parent access.
Hello and welcome to your March Madness Minute. Today we're going to be talking about how to use Google Calendars with your teacher site. Some of the things you're going to need is either a Chromebook or a PC, logged in using your Canvas account, and then whatever teacher site you happen to use. If it's Google Sites, that's great, and you can also use it with other blogs. I'm going to show you today how to use it with WordPress if that's the site that you're using, but as long as the blog you have uses or has an embed option, you're more than welcome to use that as well. So to get started, you're going to need to open up a new tab and hit the apps icon. If you have something other than Google Sites, you can use the embed option from this part here. So go ahead and click Google Calendars. On the left-hand side, you're going to click the drop-down arrow and create a new calendar. And we're going to name our calendar. In the description part, you can explain what the class will cover or any other information that you would like. Besides that, you can go ahead and click Create Calendar. I'm going to unclick the Ashley Billmeyer and open up my Ashley Schold test calendar. Now there's this little drop-down menu, and you're going to want to click Calendar Settings. From here, you can see up at the top, there's calendar details, share this calendar, edit notifications, or trash. So if you wanted to share this calendar and you had a list of people that you wanted to share with, you're more than welcome to do that here. What I was going to show you is how to embed your calendar. So using the calendar details, if you scroll down right here, it says embed this calendar in your website or blog by pasting this code into your web page. To embed the multiple calendars, click on the customize link. So here is my embed code. Basically means that it's automatically going to show up just as the frame shows here. I'm going to hit Control C. I've logged into my WordPress already, and I want this to be a static page. So I go ahead and click New. And then on the left-hand side, I click Pages, Add New. And so I'm going to title this Schold Test Calendar. And click the HTML part and paste the embed code and hit Publish. Now I can view this page and see what it looks like. And now my created calendar is viewable to anybody who clicks the Schold Test Calendar portion on my teacher page. What this looks like on my regular page. Looks something like this. Each day I post in what we did. So Wednesday, I post what we did and other pieces, and you can click more details. And I also link in my daily agenda. It's just a good way to communicate both with parents and with students for them to gain more information about what you covered that day, perhaps what they missed because of a doctor's appointment or due to illness or whatever it happens to be. Another way, if you have Google Sites, I've created a test site here. It's as simple as naming your site, and then when you hit edit, you can click insert and then calendar. And I have my Schold test calendar, so I have it already created and select it there. And Schold test calendar, it shows the pixels. I hit save. And now on my site that I've created, the calendar is linked here as well. In order to use the calendar now, I don't ever really have to go back to my site. So I can go back to my calendar and say today I wanted to post in what we did. I like to click all day. You could split it up by periods. So period 1. So you've posted what you've done today. Go ahead and click save. And now I've linked in my agenda on the test calendar, and it should automatically update. Might have to hit refresh. And now, as you can see from my teacher site that I've linked it on here, you can see the agenda and click on it, and whatever you happen to do for the day would be showing up there. This would be from your Google site if you wanted to automatically do it from a Google site, or like I said, from my WordPress. The calendar is also updated automatically, and you can also see the same agenda here. In order to keep this up, you no longer would need to be logged into your site. All you would need to do is make sure that you have the correct calendar linked, and the information will automatically post. So we covered how to use Google Calendars on your teacher site, and I hope you got some good information. Have a good night.